Indian parents, before your child spends months preparing for the Felix Scholarships, be careful. Hidden eligibility rules disqualify many strong students. I'm Raj Shekhar, founder of Maven Consulting Services. We've guided 500 plus Indian families safely to UK universities and spot scholarships pitfalls every week. Today I'll explain the real risks of Felix Scholarship and share our 3-step checklist to avoid them. What is the Felix Scholarship? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the scholarship? It was founded in 1993 by a philanthropist named Felix Scholarship, a man who believed that talent should never be held back by money. Since its founding, the scholarship has funded 428 students, real people who went on to study at some of the most prestigious institutions in the world. Every year, approximately 20 scholarships are awarded across 3 partner universities. They are the University of Oxford, one of the top 2 universities in the entire world, University of Reading, a respected research university in England, and the SOAS, the University of London, the world's leading institution for the study of Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. The mission is beautifully simple. Find the most academically gifted but financially disadvantaged students from India and developing countries. Give them a world-class British education and trust them to go back home and make a difference. That's it. That's the whole philosophy. What do you actually get? Now let's talk about money, because that's what makes this scholarship truly extraordinary. The Felix Scholarship covers 100% of your tuition fees at the international student rate. At Oxford alone, that can be £20,000 to £30,000 per year. Fully covered. It also includes a living stipend of approximately £17,894 to £19,000 per year. That translates to roughly 18 to 20 lakh rupees annually just for your daily living expenses. And a return flight from India to the UK, so that expensive plane ticket is taken care of. A clothing allowance and a book allowance. Yes, they give you money specifically for books and clothes. And your Tier 4 student visa fees is also covered, along with an allowance for attending academic conferences to support your research and professional growth. And this isn't a one-year deal. The scholarship is renewable for up to 3 years depending on your course and continued financial need. Think about it. Tuition, accommodation, food, travel, visa, all of it handled. This is one of the most comprehensive scholarships available to Indian students anywhere in the world. Next is, are you eligible? Now the most critical section, and I want you to pay very close attention here, because a lot of students disqualify themselves too early without actually reading the rules. For Indian students, here's what you need. Condition number 1, you must be an Indian national currently living in India. If you're already studying or living outside of India, you are not eligible. Condition number 2, you must have a first-class bachelor's degree from a recognized Indian university. A degree from any foreign university makes you ineligible. Condition number 3, you must be under 30 years of age. So do not delay applying if you're in your mid to late 20s. Condition number 4, you must not already hold a master's degree if you're applying for a master's scholarship. If you do have a master's, you can apply, but only for a PhD fellowship. And condition number 5, and this is the most important one, you must sign a formal undertaking to return to India after completing your studies. This is a binding condition. The entire premise of the Felix Scholarship is that you take this world-class education back to your country and contribute to it. Now the great news, medicine is the only subject excluded. Engineering, law, economics, social sciences, international development, humanities, natural sciences, almost everything else qualifies. There's also no separate language test requirement. Your academic record and your interview performance do the heavy lifting. So if you're living in India right now and have a first-class degree, are under 30 and are genuinely committed to returning home, this scholarship is built for you. Which university should you pick? That's the next crucial thing. Here's something many students miss. You can apply to one of the 3 universities, so your choice matters. University of Oxford is the most globally recognized. The living stipend here is around £19,000 per year, slightly higher than the others. For the Indian scholarship, there is an interview held in India, either in Delhi or Bangalore or via Zoom. The application process is simple. There's no separate form. You just tick the Felix Scholarship box on your standard Oxford postgraduate application. University of Reading is next, which offers up to 5 scholarships for Indian students and 1 additional scholarship for a student from another developing country. You first need to receive an admission offer and then you complete the scholarship application on the university's online portal. SOAS is the ideal choice if your interest lies in development studies, international law, African studies, South Asian studies, Middle Eastern studies, or global politics. SOAS also runs a separate non-Indian scholarship, primarily aimed at students from the Afghanistan, Syria, Iran, Iraq, and the Palestinian territories. My advice: don't choose a university based on brand name alone. Choose based on which university offers the course that best matches your academic interests and career goals. Your admission offer comes first, the scholarship follows. Next up is how to apply and the step-by-steps that you need to follow. Let's walk through the application process clearly. Step number 1. Decide on your university and your specific course. Research the faculty, the curriculum, and know how it connects to your goals. Step number 2. Submit your full postgraduate application to the university well before the December or January admissions deadline. This is critical. Applications received after this window are not considered for scholarship, even if accepted for the course. Step number 3. At Oxford, simply check the Felix Scholarship box on your application form. No separate submission needed. At Reading, once you receive your admission offer, complete the scholarship form on the Me at Reading applicant portal. Third, at SOAS, apply and for your program and submit a separate scholarship application before the 2nd March 2026 at 12 noon UK time every year. Late applications are not considered under any circumstances. Step number 4. Shortlisting happens between March and April of 2026. And step number 5 is shortlisted candidates are called for an in-person or virtual interview in India, that is in Delhi or in Bangalore. There is absolutely no way to receive the scholarship without completing this interview. Step number 6. Final decisions are announced by end of May 2026. And step number 7. If selected, you begin your studies in September or October of 2026. Deferrals are not permitted. If you accept the scholarships, you must start that year. And here is a pro tip. Don't wait until March to apply for university admissions. Apply in October or November, the earlier the better. Your scholarship eligibility depends entirely on having a valid admission offer first. Is now tips to actually win this scholarship. So how do you maximize your chances? Here's what actually works. First, your academic record is everything. A first class is the baseline. A high first class or a distinction at the master's level makes you stand out from hundreds of applicants. Second, you need to demonstrate genuine financial need. This scholarship is designed for students who truly need it. Be detailed, honest, and transparent about your financial background. Don't underplay it. And third, your statement of purpose must do 2 things. Prove your academic brilliance and clearly express your commitment to returning to India and contributing to your community. Both matter equally. And fourth is strong academic references. Professors who genuinely know your work, your thinking, and your potential. Generic letters don't work here. Fifth, know your university deeply. Your application must show why this specific course at this specific institution is the right fit for your research goals and the future plans. Sixth is prepare for your interview like it's a conversation about your life's purpose. They want to understand your personality, your values, your suitability, and most importantly, your genuine intent to come back home and contribute. Passion and clarity of thought will set you apart. So that was your complete guide to the Felix Scholarship, one of the most generous, most underrated opportunities available to Indian students today. If you have a first-class degree, demonstrate financial need, and carry a genuine ambition to study at Oxford, SOAS, or the University of Reading, please don't ignore this. All 3 university scholarship pages are linked in the description below. The official website is felixscholarship.org. Bookmark it today. If this video helped you or someone you know, please hit the like button and share it. You never know whose life that one share might change. Subscribe if you want more scholarships, study abroad guides, and career advice delivered straight to your feet completely free. Work hard, apply with confidence, go study at one of the best universities in the world, and come back and build something extraordinary. See you in the next one.